Hello. What is going on with fourth quarter earnings per share? So the S&P earnings growth for fourth quarter 2022, about 29% of the companies have reported so far. We are registering a 5% decline. If that holds on through the 29% to 100%, be the first time since the third quarter 2020 since that has happened. So you could see there's weakness, right? If you look at this chart, the black is today versus last quarter, a quarter last year. So you could see we have a decline in energy, we have a decline in industrial, real estate is steady. The S&P, as you could see that decline, this is where our 5% comes from. You could see also we have a kind of a healthcare is okay, information technology, financials getting killed. Communication services up a little bit. Communication, consumer discretionary is down. Material is kind of okay. But overall, that's the number you want to look at right here for the blended number. We are down versus quarter last year of December 31st, 2021. So why do you care? Well, you care because there's two items that goes into the valuation. The rate, which is going up, and that is pushing stock prices down naturally, and the earnings. And earnings are weak. Now, does this translate into cash flow? Probably. So if earnings are going down, that's also bringing the stock down. And if in addition to that, we have quite a bit of increase in rates, that's also going to push stocks down. So pressure is down. Now the market might be up because there's expectation that things are going to turn around, that the Fed is not going to raise rates anymore. But that's, you got to look at the data, and the data tells you be careful. Everything points towards more pressure on stocks because this slowdown is on its way. So keep that in mind for the future. We'll revisit when we get closer to 100% of companies having reporting their earnings for the fourth quarter 2022. See you then.